Hello everyone, it's Bernina Jeff at High Fashion Sewing Machines and Quilt Shop in Grand Junction, Colorado. I'm not an employee of Bernina of America. I have a quilt shop here in Grand Junction, Colorado. I've got a bunch of new products to show you, some nice little gadgets to make your sewing life easier, and some new stick-on products. So stick to the very end. I'll show you how to install the new legs for the 5 Series slide-on tray, and I'll just show you the easy method to do that. First off, the new 990 comes with 3 stitch plates. So you have 1 stitch plate on the machine, and then you have 2 extra stitch plates that you'll be using quite often. So we have a stitch plate holder that can go on the machine. It can go on a little rotating accessory device, or it can go on a wall or something, but it will hold both of your stitch plates. So you have the single hole plate, the 5.5 millimeter plate, and then the 9 millimeter plate. I even use these on my 770 and 790s because I love the 5.5 millimeter plate for doing applique, blanket stitch, and that sort of thing. It just, that with the number 20 foot, it just makes the prettiest stitch. So you can keep your plates handy right there. You also have all the other stick-ons that we've had before. I have a new stick-on for the ruler foot. So the 72, 73, 74 foot, they won't fit into this system, so there's a new holder for that, so you can get that from me. The other thing is Bernina just released their walking foot in a pretty red color. So this red walking foot, I have plenty available now. It'll be on my website. That is Bernina-Jeff.myshopify.com, and you can order that and be the first one on the block to have a pretty red walking foot. It does the same thing as the white ones, only it is a special edition and will only be here for a little while. So that is that. The next thing is the feet. I've been dropping stuff all day. It's the feet for the 5 Series tray, and I'm going to show you at the end, so watch all the way to the end if you want to see how to install those feet. The other cool gadget I have is a rotating cutting mat. They've had these around, the green ones and whatever. This Sue Daily one I think is better because the Lazy Susan on the bottom comes all the way to the edge, so you don't hit at the edge and it tips over on you. So I think it's a better mousetrap, it's a better design. Comes in 2 sizes, 10-inch diameter, which I'm showing you here, and a 16-inch diameter. These I can ship out, and to show you how well they work, I love them working with the Quilter Select weighted rotary cutter. This is a 28 millimeter. They come in 45 millimeter and 60 millimeter. If you're going to retreats or you're needing to clean up a little project, the little guy's great. And I love the Quilter Select ruler. It has a little grip on the back, so when you're evening up or trimming up your project, it holds on the fabric so you're not going to move it. So to expose the blade, I just tap on that, show you how easy it is to just square up your project. I had a little slippage there, but how easy it is just to flip. Got one little thread, another little thread up there, but it really works well to have that rotating mat. If I was leaning in the right area, that would have been a little bit easier. So let's show you how to put in the fold out legs. These are stabilizing legs for your 5 Series slide on tray. If you push down here real hard, it'll be a little wobbly, and there's support legs that you can put in, and I have these support legs, and they're marked, one to the back and this one's marked to the front. The front has this little clear spot, so when you have it tipped over, it's easy to remember. So they go in with this little bump. See this bump on the front? That goes in facing upward. I like to take it at an angle, take a needle nose pliers or pliers, squeeze this little gap in and rotate. Now it'll pop right into place. Put one in the hole. You'll find out one will fit in a little better. Squeeze the gap, rotate, and there it's in. And they'll pop out and they'll stay there. So now you can just take that and slide it on your machine. and those are available on my Shopify account. If you don't have 3 stitch plates, you can buy a stitch plate holder that just holds 1. So if you just have the 9mm and the 0mm, you can just buy a single stitch hole plate or stitch plate holder. So those are my new gadgets, and please follow me and subscribe to me on the YouTube channel and hit the like button. That helps my channel grow. So you can order these products at bernina-jeff.myshopify.com. You can call the shop. A lot of people just like talking people in person. We answer the phone between 9:30 and 5:30 Mountain Time, and that is 970-256-1293. Or you can email me. I answer all my own emails at jpvlefty@aol.com. If you missed any of these, check the comments or check the description, and I'll have these in the description. Thank you much.